Today I am going to show you about the customer management. You can create the customer and edit customer, delete customer, everything about the customer. You can check the customer outstanding, what are the bills customer purchased from you, everything all about the customer related things. It will be on the customer management. So you can click here, heads and customers. All customers will be listed here. Here will be your all customer list. So I want to create new customer. It's very easy. You can click it here, new, and give the customer name. I'm going to give Almanar Group, and any specified ID have the customer, you can give the ID, otherwise you can skip. And name on the printout on the invoice printing, you can suggest another name if required. And the customer mobile number if required, and customer landline number you can give, and customer email. And tax registration number, if customer have the tax registration number, you can fill it here. And the state you can give here if there is available, and the state code if there is any state code, and which area of the customer you can add. If doesn't have, you can create also the new area. And the employee means which, for example, if you are doing the B2B business to business if you are doing, so each customer dedicated employee, because your salesman dedicated to that particular customer, you can assign it here if required. For example, I am assigning for this employee for this customer. So whenever you are making the invoice, automatically this under this employee it will come. And the tax category if required, and the address, customer address. Building 105, like that you can provide the address correctly. Even the customer have the CR number, commercial registration number. First you can give CR, and here will be building 1255 road. You can give correctly the address here. This address will be displayed on the invoice. Whenever you are preparing the invoice for the particular customer, it will be displayed there. And any internal description, it will not print on the invoice, you can give here if any description. And here credit limit, you are dealing with this customer with credit limit, how many days the credit limit you are going. I am going to give credit limit days 90 days. I need to block. So above 90 days any bill is pending from this customer, cannot able to invoice or deliver any product to this customer. And credit limit amount also have. For example, I want to give 5,000, and this one also block. So these two condition system will check. Either 5,000 it reach the customer pending balance, it will be blocked. Otherwise 90 days any invoices pending, then also it will be blocked. And if you providing any default discount percentage for the particular customer, you can give here. And tax calculation, which method you can select here. And what is the price list? Normally there is various type of price list. You can select the price list. Normally I am selecting for the retail price. If wholesale price, you can give the, so this particular customer, whenever you are making the invoice, automatically it will come the wholesale price. Now I am giving for the retail price. And default mode of payment, you can give the credit. So automatically whenever you are saving this, you are saving the invoice, automatically it will located into the credit invoice. You can, after that you can change it if required, or cash you can select. I am selecting here credit. Normally this customer major, my purchase will be credited, and I can click save and close. So my customer, new customer created here. I can search here Manar Group. Already the customer will be here, and I'll show you edit customer. If there is any changes, if you, after you save the customer, after that you want to make any changes from the customer, you can click, you can search here. This is the searching option. You have multiple type of searching also, search by name, search by ID, search by mobile number, various type of searching option also here. So I am searching here Manar Group. So Manar Group, I want to edit something. So I am going to click edit, and I need to add in the name WLL with limited liability company, and just update it. So from now the name is edited. Like that, if you want to edit address or any information, you can edit very easily here for the editing. Now the deleting for the customer. If you don't want one customer maybe by mistake, you can delete. But before deleting, you need to think one thing. There is any transaction, if you give any quotation, invoice or anything, if you make from that customer, you cannot able to delete. I will show you here BSS International. I am going to delete and click it yes. It cannot be deleted because there is transactions. But we created the new customer, this Manar group. I want to delete this one. Just easy. I can just delete it here. Yes, that deleted. Now the party not available. Already deleted. And the tracking. Tracking means I want to track this customer BSS International. What are the sales I made for this customer? How many quotation I give? What are the dealings I make to particular customer? I can easily track here. Just click here, tracking. All will be listed here. You know how many delivery note, sales, quotation. What are the item also? It will be display here. These all dealings I made with this BSS International. And here all vouchers. I can select only the sales. So what are the sales I made to this party? It will be display here. Each list you are clicking here will show the items details also. And I want to see only for the quotation. What are the quotation I made for this quotation I made for this. I can easily access the voucher also. If double click here, the voucher will be open. If you want to view details or otherwise you want to make anything editing, you can easily open also. So this is the tracking. And the statement, you can see the statement of accounts for this particular customer in the statement button. You can click it here, statement button, and you can select the between last 7 days or 30 days, last 1 year, or you can select between date also. I select here last 365 days. I have two type of statement. One is standard statement, one is bill wise statement. First I will show the standard statement. So this is the statement for the particular customer. You can export also from Word, Excel, PDF. You can export the statement also very easily. And there is another one statement, bill wise statement. You can click it here, bill wise statement. It will come the pending bills only. Standard statement, same like the bank statement, it will be debit and credit. But the bill wise statement, what are the pending bills? What are the pending amounts? It will show only. Another, what are the cleared invoices? Everything will not show here. But here is you have option for settled vouchers, all vouchers, non-settled vouchers, like that. Normally, if you are giving a statement for your customer, non-settled only you are giving. But if you want to check all vouchers, that's very easy. All vouchers and show reports, everything. What is the settled? What is the non-settled? It will display everything. So only the settled vouchers here. What are the cleared vouchers? There is nothing pending. Non-settled, what is the pending vouchers? And this is bill wise settlement, all vouchers will be. And you have here aging also, 0 to 30 days, 30 to 60 days, like that. Aging wise also here, you can click here, aging template and print view. So the aging will be here. Here will show 0 to 30 days, presently doesn't have, 31 to 60, 61 to 90, 91 days and above. Aging wise also you can available reports here. Every report you can Excel, PDF, Word, you can easily export also. And another thing, for attached document. If you want to attach any document to this customer, for example, any registration or any agreement you and between that customer, you can easily attach this button. You can add document. You can attach whatever the documents attached to the particular customer. I am going to attach this one. If I need to attach another document also, easy, I can attach multiple documents. I can attach here. So I want to attach this one also, like that. Unlimited documents you can attach with each customer. So if you want to see the attachment, just click it here and click attach. Easily you can see the attachment. Just double click, the attachment will be open also. It's very easy. So and another few settings also about the customer. Here you can see the show balance. If you click show balance, the outstanding balance will display here. And here some settings. You can ledger ID auto generation settings. For example, whenever you are creating the new customer, there is ID. Presently you can enter the manually the ID, but I want to make it automatic. The ID automatic need to be the ID generated. So on the condition I am going to setting here ledger ID auto generation. This is presently disabled, so I make it enabled. I want to give any prefix, I can give LD. I am giving LD dash for example, and starting from 5000. So it will come 5001, 5002 like that, LD dash 5001 like that it will start. So I'm going to create new customer here. Whenever clicking here new customer, this is customer name. You know, ID automatically generated LD501. Next customer, if you are creating 502, 503, automatically system will generate the ID. And yeah, there is one quick option also to create a new customer. You can click it here, create new. You have here customers. You can just click it here, customers. You can create the quickly for the customers also. And while making for the invoice or quotation, delivery note, if you are making anything together with also, you can create the customer. So I'll show from invoice, just transaction and sales billing. I'm making the invoicing. And you know, you have one option here plus. Just click it here. You can create customer from here also. You can create new customer from here also. And even the quotation also you can create. Any vouchers you can create the customers also. Thank you.
For download, www.accrobiz.com.